How do you get started with building a dashboard on the blank page that you're looking at? Remember, the key to actionable reporting is understanding your business from the viewpoint of your customers. They need to know what actions to take, and your data should tell that story in a meaningful way. Don't just display the data in a series of colorful graphs. Play around with the visuals and consider what new insights can be gained that might be helpful to your audience. Keep your reports simple and scalable. Start with a presentation that's more visual, contains less information, but then allow the user to click once and get more details. Use color and spacing to help tell the story and guide the user's eyes to what they need to know. Use custom tooltips to get straight to the point. Then go back to the business and ask more questions to further refine your design. Of course, when you learn how to build your own reports with impactful business intelligence, make sure to share your knowledge with others.